Hello guys and welcome back. This is welcome back. This is the challenge. It's a Bird Jesus challenge and I'm alone, so I try to beat my high score in Bird Jesus. So this game is like Pokemon, like Flappy Bird I mean, but Pokemon places like Pidgey. You can choose right here where it says select, choose a characters. No, Pokemon, I mean legendary. There's legendaries, only Pidgey and Charizard isn't. There is not legendaries. So let's get started. I'll try to be my high score this game called Purchases. So okay, this game is hard. I hope my factor don't like. This thing is hard to game. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. This game is scary. Oh, I bring it 15, so it's good. So let's click it okay and play again. Okay, this game is hard. Really? Oh, this game is hard. I'll say something if this happens again. Right? Okay, so sorry for this long bad word. Okay, so it's hard games, but this is him as I score. Oh, this one is nothing. It's fake. Not fake. I wanna say another word, but I don't wanna say it. Okay. What the heck? I bring this up. Nothing. Okay, so this game is hard to read your scores. Why am right now going down, 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 down. Okay, if I was using display recorder, I would be done. Because we're gonna be lagging, so I use reflector. It's better. Okay, that's 8. Okay, so we're having 2 chances. Okay. So 2 chances. We lost 1 chance. Last chance. There is it. The hardest chance that you can win this. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, so we finished our chances. So let's close our reflector. No need. Just put my high score. Okay, so I made a theory, but I did everything on the audio. It's Ash versus Red. Who's the better? This is a Pokemon theory. I decided to make it right now. I'm working on the audio, so I'm trying to do it as same as what's popping up to me. It's hard actually to do this theory. It's only 2 minutes and like to make me want to blow up. Okay, so soon guys I'm gonna make Call of Duty gameplays, because right now I don't have a capture card. I just ordered a capture card, so soon they're gonna bring it, and then I'm gonna play Call of Duty Black Ops. I don't have to just this is my game for my Xbox, Kinect Adventures and Kinect Sports. So guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. So hope you see you in the next video. So goodbye.